What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. We have got to start getting the fall garden planted. I tried to wait as long as I could for this weather to cool so that my plants have a good chance at surviving, because if you don't know, my garden is in full sun and this Texas heat will completely burn all of my little seed starts. So I think that the weather is starting to be more favorable, so we're gonna go ahead and take a trip to Lowe's and get some amendments for the garden. So yeah, come along with me. We are heading to Lowe's, and then we can start going ahead and get the garden prepped and ready to plant in the next couple videos. So let me know in the comments below if you live in a warm, pretty warm climate like me, if you've already planted your fall garden, if you're still prepping your beds, if you're working on it. I'd love to know. Last year I planted my garden on October 8th, and it was good. I think that was a good date. I also want to see what little seed starts they have, if they have any. I don't know what they've got here. I haven't been to Lowe's in so long because the HEB, it has plants, so I'm like looking at those plants every day, and I just haven't been interested in going to Lowe's because every time I go, they don't ever have anything. So we'll see what they have. Alright, so we have arrived and I don't see that many plants, but we'll see when we get in here. Let's see what they've got. I'm not really looking for plants, but let's go. Okay, so I'm seeing some lettuce, some broccoli, some tomatoes down here. We have on this other side. Okay, they have a few starts. What's down here? I see some kale, cabbage. Cabbage. We have some herbs up here. So we have some curly kale. We have some Swiss chard. Swiss chard grows pretty easily, so I wouldn't buy any of that. Nope. Cabbage, broccoli. I don't see any collards. So I'm gonna take one of these. Okay, so that's pretty big. I'm gonna come over here and grab one of these little ones. Look how cute. Yeah, I didn't even know they had these. OMG, so this flat cow compost is just going up and up and up. The last time I came here, was maybe 2 months ago and it was like at 670 something. Now it's at 708. Let me know if this compost is worth this amount to you guys. I think I remember when it was like $350 maybe. But this is all that they have in the stores. They do have some compost at my local nursery, and there's a compost there that I really like. I'm not sure if it's a mushroom compost, but it's like $14 a bag. So I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's getting so expensive. You're gonna have to start making your own compost at home, because this stuff, it's good, but you can also get it for free. So I think I'm gonna grab 2 bags of this, and then we also need to get some blood meal. I know a lot of gardeners also use this one, and I've used this one too. This is a Texas brand, I believe. This one just has a lot of sand in it. Now, the Black Cow, the quality is still good. I think the quality is still decent. So I am willing to spend $7 today. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we got the goods. We got the compost. Now we just need to go and grab some bone meal. Not bone meal, blood meal. Let's go see how much they're charging for that. Christmas trees are out. All right. So, bone meal, blood meal. So I already have bone meal. Get the cheapest one. Other brands that have blood meal. Nope. $32. $16. Oh my gosh. Pretty good. Thank you. All right, and we're off. They didn't really have any seed starts that I wanted to get. Temperature in the car is reading 91 degrees right now. It is still pretty hot outside, but yeah, we got our amendments. The next upcoming video, we're gonna amend our beds and we are going to start planting. So So yeah, thank y'all for tagging along with me. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to support the channel, make sure to check out my seed shop. I have seeds up there for you guys. So go and check that out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.